Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. Pull on the tab for the power connector to the coils, lifting it with a flathead screwdriver. Now, remove the tab. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, unscrew the lock nut located on the coil. With a large screwdriver, carefully lever off the coil to release it. Then take it out by hand, pulling upwards. Using a socket wrench or a T-handle wrench, a big extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and unscrew by hand to save time. Take out the old spark plug and check that it is identical to the new one. Take the new spark plug. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket. Since it is so fragile, start this off by hand, giving the proper support the plug needs before finishing the process with a wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial, How to Tighten Spark Plugs, before carrying out this step. Clip the spark coil back in. Then, put the lock nut located on the coil back on. Finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Reconnect the power cable and finish by pushing the holding tab back in place. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.